Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Subaru Crosstrek side mirror. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a 10 mm socket wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror assembly for your vehicle. This process is straightforward, and with the right preparation, you can complete it efficiently. Let's get started by preparing the vehicle for the removal process. Begin by gently prying off the small triangular trim piece covering the mirror bolts on the inside of the door. Then, remove the main door panel to access the wiring. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Next, use your 10 mm socket wrench to unfasten the 3 nuts securing the mirror assembly to the door frame. Once these are loose, the old mirror can be removed. Now, take your new side mirror assembly and carefully position it onto the door frame, aligning the studs with the holes. Hand tighten the 3 10 mm nuts first, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit. This connection restores power to the mirror's adjustments and heating elements. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror's electronic adjustments and any heating functions to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall the interior door panel and all trim pieces, making sure they snap back into place securely. Double-check all connections and trim for a professional finish. For other great deals, and to find the best socks with a lifetime warranty, check the link in the description below. You'll find many useful resources there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.